wants Hershey's. What's up, Hershey's? Feed him food, Ethan.
He want to eat my hand. He want to eat my hand. He wants to.
Okay, let's go talk to the older members, Ethan. Where are they?
Bring him to the newer members.
Okay.
I'm just holding a chicken. How am I?
Hello.
Drop him.
Hello. Hello.
There is sandwich, butter, and jelly.
Then we gotta add Hershey's to sandwich, right?
No. Peanut. No, there's no.
What do you
peanut.
think the Jenner is?
Yeah, Peanut did die. I forgot about that. Also, we did have another chicken before we recorded this video, and it's also dead. So we have two dead. Peanut is dead, and we didn't name the other chicken yet, brother. Okay, guys. Let's see. You feed him. Good job. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
Oh.
He ate it?
No,
He dropped it. Eat.
No.
He ate it.
No.
He's cool. Oh. You want the whole thing? You give him more food. You need more food.
Does he want this? Oh, it has bird poop on it.
Oh, it does it? Prick off a leaf, Ethan. Pick off a leaf.
Okay, yeah.
He'll like leaf, right? You like leaf? You like leaf? He don't like leaf. Ethan. He don't like leaf. Give him more grass. He like grass.
I'm gonna feed him grass. Go here. Brand new approved grass.
He eat it? Oh, you got it in the. Oh, is it gone?
No, he's chomping it down. He's chomping it down.
He threw it on the ground. Okay, I think when you go feed the other members, I think they're hungry.
Can he eat a fly?
No.
Can he eat a fly? Oh. Can he eat a
Drop him now. Drop him. Just drop him. Just let go. Okay, let's go find butter and sandwich and jelly and stuff.
Find butter.
When you go feed them. Where's butter? Find butter, Ethan.
Step 1. Find butter. Butter. All of them.
All three at the same place.
I'm gonna go take care of her.
I got this. I'll feed them. Take my food. Ah! They picked me. They picked me.
Ba bé đi biết đi sạc gà cái bên chân có.
Tôi cắn tay nữa. Hai đứa đứng tay ra, đừng có kêu mami nha, mami đi gọi điện thoại vậy đó.
Okay.
Gọi nó nghe mà.
More food. There he dropped it. Oh no, he's in the. Yep, and he's eating now. Okay, they do be eating though. That's the chicken coop over there, guys. Ethan, can you record?
No.
Please?
No.
I've been recording all the time. Please eat them. Hold butter. We watch him fly. Drop him and then look at him fly.
No, he's going to fly.
Như thấy
Make him fly! Fly, butter!
He did not.
Oh,
Where's
butter!
Hershey
Ayo,
at?
butter! Ayo, butter!
Hershey. Oh.
Let's go take a look at jelly now, Ethan. We need to go feed up jelly. Ethan, we need to buff up jelly.
And fucking Hershey.
What?
I love Hershey.
Okay, but we need jelly, Ethan. We need to feed him. We need to feed jelly.
Wait, also, how did we get... Oh. That guy fly. He fly. Oh, jelly.
We need to go feed jelly. Where did jelly go?
He right here.
That's sandwich, but okay.
No, the fully brown one sandwich.
No? The one with dots is sandwich, Ethan. So where is jelly? Under here?
Nope.
Under here?
Oh, I found him.
Where'd he go? Under the chair, Ethan. Give him food. He's hungry. He's probably hungry.
He's already eating.
Yeah, give him more.
Jelly.
Put it in front of his face. That's how he knows. That's how he knows.
Nope.
Oh, well, I guess he doesn't want food. Let's go talk to Sandwich now.
Hey, Sammy.
Or do you want to talk to Reese's again?
I'm talking to Hershey's.
Oh.
So,
Should we call him Reese's or Hershey's, Ethan? Which one?
Hershey.
I think Reese's is better.
Yeah, because he's brown.
Yeah. Oh, dude, the chickens were pecking at my finger while I was giving them food. Ethan, go to grab a big chunk of grass like this, like do that, and then put it in front of the chicken's face, okay?
Okay. Which one?
Both. Lower.
Ở thằng ấy chậm
Lower.
cái sậu nè.
Lower.
Oh, did they peck you?
Nếu mà chậm cái sậu nó đó rồi.
You threw the grass on the concrete, Ethan.
Come
Get
with me.
Okay, that's gonna be the end of today's video, guys. That's our new chicken squad. Bye.